Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a quick little review, recommendations, some thoughts over the Onetigris 18/8 stainless steel 32-ounce water bottle that they sent to me to try out. So it says 24-hour hot, 48 hours cold or longer. I guess it depends on where you're at. It says food grade stainless steel, FDA approved, BPA, non-toxic, large capacity, 32 ounces, sweat-free, reusable, 2-year warranty. So I'm a charter boat captain down here in Florida. I specialize in saltwater fishing. So at times when we're out there on the water, like in the summertime, man, we will go through some water. And sometimes you have a bottle of water on the boat, it just sits there and it gets warm, so this would be nice to have out there just to put water in there. So let's check this out here and see what this looks like. Okay, I can always tell when something's nice the way it's packed with nice packing. So it comes with a couple different lids. One's like a thermos. This is the pour stuff. That's pretty nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Good quality. Looks pretty nice. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Oh, this looks really nice. Wow. A couple straws in there, which I probably wouldn't use the straws. I'll just drink it straight. So I know my wife wanted this too. When she saw it, she's like, I want to bring it. She rides a bike a lot and goes hiking a lot. And I said, Rochelle, you're welcome to use it. So this is really nice. It almost looks like the paracord there that it comes with could be used for an emergency situation. But man, that's a nice solid handle. I like that. It's got a good case on it. Pull that out of there. Let's take a look at that. Good quality. I like that. I like that. Oh, I like the Velcro, because some of my fishing stuff I have, pliers and whatnot, some of my snips have Velcro. Oh, that almost looks like a phone could go in there or something, or you could put something in there. I like that a lot. So let's see what this looks like inside here. Okay, so that doesn't tip up. There you go. It's nice stainless steel. Let me take this off here. So that's nice. I like that a lot. That's really cool. I like the case. I like these lids. So this looks like it's going to be perfect for me and on the boat and my wife when she goes out riding the bike and all that kind of stuff. Oh, that's nice. Nice little rubber thing. So, well, I like it. I think you're going to like it just as much as I do. The Onetigris 18/8 stainless steel 32-ounce bottle. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.